Ohanaeze Ndigbo said that Ndigbo may vote for Bola Tinubu come 2027 presidential election. Come 2027. They say Simon Ekpa don't come outside though. Don't cry, come outside. Say those people where they drum up and down. He say now only freedom fighter he come be. He say no come fight with anybody. No be smart thing. They say that some people for street and they don't ask one hot question about if Nnamdi Kanu release. The statement made by Ohanaeze Ndigbo that Simon Ekpa will not have fame again. Now the guy provoke, he reply, say now Simon Ekpa make the flame they go up. My people, move go find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here I will put the word the way it is with no fear. I beg you, may you try to share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. We're there for Twitter, TikTok, everywhere. So make sure so you'll be part of this great family. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hands today. They say that Ndigbo may support Tinubu in 2027 if Nnamdi Kanu is released. Ohanaeze. The Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide has stated that Ndigbo may vote for President Bola Tinubu in 2027 if he free the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No be smart, you know, una don't hear them. They say that Ohanaeze President General have stated this statement on Monday. No be smart thing, but the answer to this, where we go talk put na be say, this is not what the people are saying. Our Igbo leaders, you guys are making big mistake. Listen to your population. Listen to the people you claim you are ruling. Listen to the people. Your people is no longer interested. Okay, why don't you people tell Tinubu to conduct referendum? So that if the majority said yes, want to be in Nigeria, then you can be making all those statements. Your people are saying they are tired of being together as a Nigeria. They want to have their own freedom. They want to have their own way of life. They want to be recognized and they want to do their business. They want to do things on their own. What is bad on it? What is bad on it? So, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, please listen to your people. You people should stop beating around this bush you guys are beating. Yes, stand on the reason as Nnamdi Kanu. The Yoruba people did it. They released Sunday Igboho. So why you people cannot? Because you people have said yourself, throw and shishi. That's why the Hausa and the Yoruba don't even talk to you guys anyhow, do anyhow they want. Because the only person that can speak today, it will be good, everywhere will shake, is Nnamdi Kanu. That's why they hold him there. Is you guys to wake up and demand and work with all the whole governors so that Nnamdi Kanu will be out and ask them to give your people a referendum. Let decide this fate instead of we deceiving ourselves. But you guys can never done that. Hello my people, may you leave your own contribution for this video. Let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news where we get for our hand. And they say one guy for street, they say the guy as they interview him, he can tell them, say Ohanaeze Ndigbo should stop talking that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa fame will be gone. The truth of the matter is that the leader remains the leader. If Simon Ekpa is truly working for Nnamdi Kanu, when your oga come outside, he go tell and say, see where I stop, and where are we going from? So if you come Nnamdi Kanu come outside tomorrow, Simon Ekpa say no, Nnamdi Kanu not be anything. That one he go no say Nnamdi Kanu get as Nnamdi Kanu get people. But if you use him brain or if you work accordingly, things will go well between him and Nnamdi Kanu. That is what Blabberjis have to say. So I'm going to play the video of the response of this young man. He said that Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, make flame go on as all this agitation still continue, you know, because of Simon Ekpa. Yes, everybody know that one. Say yes, Simon Ekpa dey forefront, they shout, they talk, and the people follow him, and everybody believe on him. But the what will they talk for here and I be say the leader still remain the leader. So if Nnamdi Kanu come outside, Simon Ekpa should look for a way to work with Nnamdi Kanu. That's all. So I'm going to play the video for you guys to watch before we come back and continue.
Ohanaeze said if Nnamdi Kanu is released, it will diminish the popularity of Peter Obi and the popularity of Simon Ekpa in the southeast. Is it true?
Nothing can
and
ever.
The question I want to ask is, where is Ohanaeze standing?
Thank you so much. Ohanaeze.
Simon Ekpa is the self-acclaimed leader of the indigenous people of Biafra.
And he is real.
Nnamdi Kanu also the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra.
Yes.
Where is Ohanaeze standing?
Thank you so much. Let me answer you on Simon Ekpa again. Simon Ekpa is a Bubedike. He's a warrior. He's a man in Igbo land I know that has kept the fire of Biafra glowing, shining everywhere.
But looking at the statement of Ohanaeze,
let me come.
Okay,
my explanation.
Okay.
So now, without Simon Ekpa, Nnamdi Kanu I forgotten since. I listen to me. But Simon Ekpa is the leader in exile and is doing what we like him to do, what is needed of him. Because minus him, everybody don't forget Biafra. Ohanaeze, though, let me answer you. Ohanaeze is not standing firm. One place, tight. Because of what? Money change hand.
Are they not happy with the activities of Simon Ekpa in the southeast?
They are not, because the politicians are giving them money. Simon Ekpa is disturbing them. Simon Ekpa is fighting them with
they've accused him of fueling crisis there, insecurity, terrorism.
Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa has never orchestrated any civil unrest in the southeast. Ask me why. The people that are orchestrating civil unrest are the governors. Listen and listen good. The people that initiated Ebubago, killing Igbo youths on daily basis, inviting Nigerian military to fight a man without gun. Okay, you're gonna not shoot a man without gun in the USA. You don't do that. An armed person, police or soldier, you don't got to shoot a man, a civilian without gun, unless he is with gun. So let me tell you, in the past, the Nigerian military were shooting and killing Mazob under Rafael Wazirika. When Rafael Wazirika is gone, they started shooting and killing IPOB under Nnamdi Kanu until 2017. They went an onslaught tagged Operation Python Dance is why Nigeria is witnessing militarization of southeastern Nigeria. And that militarization is not Simon Ekpa that caused it. Simon Ekpa is just agitating and saying things. Some miscreants, bad eggs, led by the like of Asari Dokubo and other people recruited by the southeast governor as their own personal security outfit, started killing and shooting Igbos. Shooting people. They say IPOB. IPOB do not kill anybody. If you go meet an IPOB person, kill him, the blood is on your head. They don't constitute bloody nuisance in the southeast. They are just agitating for the rights. They know it's their rights. They don't. Fulani herdsmen do. They did. They have been killing and killing Igbo farmers, Igbo clergies, Yoruba clergies and farmers across Nigeria. Not only that, even in the southeast. IPOB doesn't constitute any bloody, sanguinary nuisance in Igbo. Anything that can allow blood to spill on the ground is not from IPOB. Indigenous people of the Biafra and me, my brothers, my sisters, all the Igbos, the English is confusing these people, indigenous, the people of that land, the natives of southeastern Nigeria. See, let me tell you, IPOB, we don't care. We love everybody. We love our Igbo brothers. Why must we be killing our brothers? Even strangers. There are many Yoruba people at Imbi. Say, go there and see them now, Mike. They are doing their job well. Nobody's killing anybody in that land. It's a peaceful place. Only Nnamdi Kanu is another savior, not only to the Igbos, to the Hausas.
Right.
Up you, Simon Ekpa.
Thank you so much.
Simon Ekpa have called out those calling him names on social media, and this is what Simon Ekpa have to say. Let's watch this video together.
And I believe by now, all of you should have learned your lesson. That the attack on me is attack on yourself. Because the more you attack me, the more Biafra people will rain it on you. Because the lot of things have been said here today. What you don't know is bigger than you. I can never go against this struggle. I can never go against Nnamdi Kanu. Never. And like some people already commented there, you don't know whether Nnamdi Kanu, have a special thing with me. You don't know. You don't know all these things. Because, the people that are attacking me today, you have never, ever been in a meeting with me and Nnamdi Kanu. So why are you attacking me? Do you know what I have with him? You don't know. That is not to say that he's giving me, I'm not saying that he's giving me power to do everything. No. But you don't know what I have with Nnamdi Kanu. You don't know. Why are you attacking? Why is it Simon Ekpa is a threat to everybody? Why? I'm just an innocent person who want to do everything like that person who spoke from Finland. Said that the day I came to their meeting, I said I want to do everything to see that, everything is happening. And that's what I'm doing. I am all round. I am not only on media, my people. A lot of things are going on underground. You don't know what we are doing. Forget all these things that, all this gallivanting everywhere. You don't know what Simon Ekpa is doing. I am on media, I am on there, I am there, I am there, I am there, I am there. You don't know. Why should you be attacking me? Bringing me down is the last thing you can do. You can't succeed. I'm not born of a woman, except if this Biafra struggle I come out now is not by the spirit of Biafra. And I believe by now, all of you should have learned your lesson. That the attack on me is attack on yourself. Because the more you attack me, the more Biafra people will rain it on you. Because they know that I have not gone against the Biafra struggle. And any day I will go against the Biafra struggle, they will also treat my fuck up. And like I said, any day Nnamdi Kanu come out to say, Simon Ekpa, you did wrong. I will apologize. I will apologize. I will apologize publicly for doing wrong. But until then, I believe a lot of things have been.
Yeah, my people, I think that this video is also a reply to that particular comment and the response of that our brother over there in the street. You hear what Simon Ekpa said? He can never go against Nnamdi Kanu. So the best way, because I know definitely if what he's doing is not what Nnamdi Kanu sent him, there must be an agreement. But when the agreement come, he should be loyal to work with Nnamdi Kanu. If not, he will lose the frame. That's all. So this is the answer. Yo guys, I want you guys to share this video and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. For most of you people that have not also follow us on our Facebook page, please do follow us on our Facebook page and share our videos. We are here to bring you update of what is happening, and we are not here to judge anyone, but we are also here to contribute when it calls for us to contribute. We'll set out our own statement. So your own is to leave your own opinion in the comment section and make sure that you share this video. Thank you.